I'm going to rant on the Japanese private railways. 2 hours later. I will see it. If you love Japanese private railway, then I respect your opinion. Japanese private railways. No. More like stupid. Those private railways SUCKSSSS. QQ is the first of the private railways. IT was known for its 2100 series. KO is the next one. My parents theorized that there's a 2000 series coming in 2026 to replace most of the 7000 series. Kaisa is the third one. My parents know that there's a series limited express Skyliner. This is going to be the worst part. The Q Electric Railway? No, more like stupid Q Electric Co-op Way. But there are others such as Sotetsu Saibu Tobu Tokyo Metro Tokyu Maitsu Hankyu Hanshin Kahan Kuntetsu Nankai Nishitsu. And others such as Narita Rapid Railway Access Ryutetsu Shibayama Tsukuba Express Tokyo Waterfront Area Rapid Transit Katekyo Shukobi Rapid Transit Sanyo and Katsu Express Shinano Ayotetsu Osaka Metro to AOR Tokyo Metropolitan Bureau of Transportation etc. So screw Japanese private railway and screw Kawan Country Balls pound sign for Sarsaparilla. Grand Theft Auto via 700 Vigintillion 671 Novem Vigintillion 205 Octo Vigintillion 866 Septivigintillion 200 and 22 Vigintillion 777 Gwyn Vigintillion 666. Oh no, it's my dad Ian.
SSC, NSC, LSC, HISE, RSC, VSC, MSC, EXC, EXC Alpha, GSC.
Isam rulez, how dare you rant on the Japanese private railways? You also made Otaku angry because of your insulting. That's so mscingit, you are punished. First punishment, you will watch Rants and Tokyo Hikarian. Second punishment, you will never play Call of Duty Warzone, Among Us, Free Fire, Genshin Impact, Roblox, Sakura's School Simulator, Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, Geometry Dash, Five Nights at Freddy's, Plants vs. Zombies, Subway Surfers, Stardew Valley, Tomb of the Mask, Minecraft, Zombie Tsunami, Hill Climb Racing 2, Jetpack Joyride, etc. Third punishment, you will play with Shinkansen toys by Plurale. Fourth punishment, playing with girly toys and dyeing your room pink. Fifth punishment, you will watch your Grounded series. Sixth punishment, you will watch Thomas and Friends, All Engines Go, Dora the Explorer, Paw Patrol, Strawberry Shortcake, The Loud House, Duolingo Anime. Seventh punishment, V30 ball will give you concussion time. Eighth punishment, you will see Japanese trains with anime style by Azu on his X account. Ninth punishment, you will jump off Mount Fuji and die. 10th punishment, you will watch Landling Purifoy for the rest of your life. 11th punishment, you will never hang out with Ruther, because he ungrounded you. 12th punishment, you will get sent to military school for 1 day. 13th punishment, you will watch number blocks for the rest of your life. 14th punishment, you will play with Hikarian toys for 100,546 centuries. 15th punishment, you will go to stay in Shinjuku for 1 day. 16th punishment, you will go to jail for a day. 17th punishment, you will never play Conker's Bad Fur Day. 18th punishment, you will play with Taretan's rolling balls for 1700 centuries. 19th punishment, Marcos Calvin Netuno and his friends will slap your tummy and get heart attack. And the 20th punishment, You are grounded for 0393019499948588291939494899994848299484829949484858829202293878391022938475890 millenniums. Sleep right now.